everyone, welcome to mikimeloco. My name is Miki and I love to crochet cute stuff. In this video, we will be crocheting this super cute and super easy cake roll keychain together. And it's totally beginner friendly. Now let's get started. We will need the yarns of your choice, a 2mm crocheted hook, some stitch markers, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Now let's make the cake layer first. To make it, we need to have 43 chains. And to make the chain, we need to make a slip knot first. So to make a chain, we need to yarn over and pull through the loop. So this makes one chain. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need to follow the same way to finish the 43 chains like this. So to understand the chain, now we see we have 2 strands of yarn for each one stitch. So this is the first stitch, second, third, and fourth. And this is the left strand of your 4th stitch. So what we are going to do is to insert our hook into that strand. We yarn over and insert our hook into that stitch and pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now we pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the next 2 loops. And this makes 1 double crochet. And we need to do 40 double crochet. I'm going to do the second one. You have 3 loops. Pull through the first 2 loops and the second 2 loops. So this is the second double crochet. We continue doing the third one. So we finish it to the end. So totally we need 40 double crochet. So once you are done, you need to make a chain like this. And you pull out the yarn a little bit. Then you cut it. So now we are done with the cake layer. I'm using a green color, but you can use any color you want. And now we are going to make the cream layer. So basically we follow the same procedure, but for the cream layer, we don't need that long. So we are going to make 33 chains. So we make a slip knot first, yarn over, pull through, three stitches, 4, 5, and then we keep doing it. So totally we need 33. Now we are going to do 30 double crochet for the cream layer. This is one stitch. Two stitches, and we keep doing it. Now once we are done, we make another chain. So the cream layer is done as well. Now we are going to make the little cherry on the top, and we need to start with a magic rain. Please follow the steps in the video. Make a loop and hold it in the middle. Insert our hook. We need to make 2 chains. And then we need to make 3 half double crochet. We insert our hook. Now when you see there are 3 loops on your hook, you pull through the 3 loops all together, and this makes 1 half double crochet. So you can put a stitch marker on it so you can keep on track. And we need to keep doing it for 6 half double crochet. You can count on the right side. Once you have 6 half double crochet, you can pull the yarn to tighten the loop. Now you can take off the stitch marker, insert your hook into the first stitch like this, and you yarn over, pull through the first stitch and the last loop, and this you make a slip stitch, and we make a chain in the end. We pull out the yarn a little bit and to cut in the middle. Now we can flip it over to make it look super round. So we can tighten it to make it look round. Now we can insert our hook in the middle and pull through one yarn to make it look like the stem of the cherry. You can cut it, make it shorter. And now we are done with the cherry. So in the end, we just need to assemble these 3 parts together. So we need our hot glue. We stick the cream layer and the cake layer together. Just be careful, sometimes it could be really hot. and we start to roll these two layers together. And in the end, we just need to stick the cherry on the top. And now we are done. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below and I'm happy to help. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay in a loop with my latest content. Thank you for watching. Bye!